Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. So in this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Australian dollar, US dollar or USD for 22nd March 2021. So this analysis is for 22nd March only. You'll be seeing me tomorrow again with the analysis for 23rd March. Okay, and please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. This is just Coke, okay? No alcohol is there. Anyways, we can see that the current market price is 0.7737. Okay, this is the current market price, and you can see that market was in uptrend. Okay, market was in uptrend. Market made a big move, but market again fell. Okay, market fell and took support here. Okay, went up, down, went out. If we keep aside this movement, okay, then we can see that market is in a range again. Okay, market is trading in a range, and you can see that I have drawn three lines here. Okay, so this is the line number one, which is the resistance for the market, and this is the line number two, okay, which is the support for the market, 0.7622 level. Okay, I'll be coming back to this line later. Okay, what is this? But this is the line number one resistance, and this is the support of the market. Okay, but we can see that though there was not much support or nothing was available at this point. Okay, 0.7702, 0.7702. Okay, though there nothing was available in this point. Okay, just try to understand the market psychology. Okay, here. But still market, okay, market reversed from here, or market just went up from here. And just look at this size of this candle. We cannot ignore this candle. Okay, in this kind of a market, okay, it will be very foolish to ignore this kind of a candle. Okay, so this candle suggests that, okay, there is a player, or there are some players who are sitting in this level. Okay, just try to understand the psychology here. There are some players in the market who are sitting in this level and are providing support to the market. Okay, though this is the resistance, this line is the resistance, and this is the support, but in this level also there are some players who are providing support. Therefore, what should be our strategy then? Okay, so our strategy for Monday is wait for the market to come down to this level. Okay, this blue line, 0.7702 level. Okay, if we see that yes, market is taking support in this level. Okay, and if you see that stochastic RSI, okay, see, we are not sure about the support because because unlike the other points, okay, market may not bounce from here. Okay, therefore the second confirmation is also important. Okay, so first of all, look at the candles. If you see that yes, price is getting support, okay, in this price range, okay, then look at the position of the stochastic RSI. If you see the stochastic RSI is also giving you the clear sign that yes, I am with the price and I am also about to go up from here, then you can easily go ahead and buy on this level. First, so the first confirmation is look at the price and just see whether it is getting the support or not. Okay, and second confirmation that you need to require is the confirmation from the stochastic RSI. If you see the stochastic RSI is also in your favor, okay, then you can go ahead and buy above this line. Okay, and on the other hand, if market goes up from here, okay, then if you see that price struggles in the resistance 0.748 level, if you see the price is struggling, if you spot some price rejection from below or from above, or a shooting star kind of a pattern, or candlestick patterns like this, shooting star patterns like this, you can short the market here. And if it crosses the level, then also wait for the price. Okay, then also wait for the price to stay above the level for 3-4 hours. You know what I always say. Okay, let the resistance become the support, then only go for buying above this level. But this level is very important, 0.7702 level. Okay, so if market crosses this level, okay, if market crosses this level, and if market fails to provide support at this level, then wait for the market and just see how the price reacts in this support level, 0.7622 level. If you see that yes, price is about to bounce back from here, then wait for the confirmation. What are the confirmation? Your confirmation can be in the form of a hammer pattern, or a good price rejection from below, or a bullish engulfing pattern, or a marubozu like this. Okay, once you get the confirmation, you can go ahead and buy above this line, okay, above this support level. But first and foremost, you need to watch how the price reacts in this level, 0.7702 level. Okay, if market gets the support and stochastic RSI indicates that yes, it can be a buy, then go ahead and buy above this level. Okay, because it will be an indication that yes, someone is present, or some players are present in the market. Big boys are not allowing the market or providing the required support to the market. Okay, and market is bouncing off from here. So this is the analysis, and this is the psychology, okay, that you need to understand. So I know this was pretty confusing, unlike my other videos. So just try to understand the psychology of the market. Okay, that's it. So hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis, and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. Thank you so much. Good luck, have a great weekend, and see ya tomorrow again with the analysis for 23rd March. Bye bye.